Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone stuck on update requests. So if you're looking to update your phone, however you can do this, you're going to follow these steps. So very first thing, of course, you're going to do is just pull down the top menu or pull it up, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and turn it off. And that does a quick refresher of the network. Sometimes it's just the internet issue that's causing that update to be stuck. Now, if you're on cellular data, I recommend getting on Wi-Fi and trying it. And if you're on Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and then use cellular data, as that will be fixed. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is if you have the settings app open, just go ahead and close it out and then simply retry one more time by going into general, software update, and check if you can now update your phone. Now, if you still can't update it, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is from your settings, go to general, and then iPhone storage. You want to make sure that you have enough space on the storage. I recommend at least 10 gigs of free available. So if you're very close to it, you need to delete some stuff like photos, videos, apps to clear up some storage. Now, along with that is you're going to look to see if you have an update that's in progress that may have been trying to download here. If it is, you'll go ahead and delete it. So if, for example, if you had like it'll say iOS update, you go ahead and delete it from your storage, as it will delete the corrupted one. So look for it to see if you see it. Sometimes it might be under the iOS update here. If you see an update, go ahead and delete the old update and try to re-update again. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing to do is go ahead and just restart your phone. You can do this by using the volume up and the side button at the same time. Just power it off and then power back on, or you can use the top menu as well. The power icon up here basically will allow you to go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on. A restart will fix most software related issue. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is go into your setting and go to general and then go down here to transfer reset iPhone and then click on reset, and you want to do a network setting reset. It just basically resets the network settings. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do if you're still having issue with the update. Now, if you're still having issues with the update, you want to go ahead and check Apple's server status. So on any browser, just type in or Google search Apple system status. Basically, Apple gives you status of their system, and you're going to look at to make sure the update, iOS update itself service is available. So you're going to see here a couple of the services we're going to look at here. And the one we're going to go ahead and check here is just to make sure most of them are available here. If you see that they are not available, if they're having issues with the update, you may need to just wait it out here. Just look to see if all of them says available. And if they said available, that means it's good. If you're seeing that there's something unavailable, right, one of the services, you're going to have to wait and try again in 30 minutes or hour or a few hours later. Now, if you cannot wait and you still want to update your phone, you're going to try to go ahead and update it through your computer using iTunes, or on a newer newer MacBook, you can use the Finder as well, which I'll show you in another video. It's a longer process, but another quick way to update it and get around this issue. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.